Hello everybody, y'all hungry? I'm hungry. Today we're gonna make cheese quesadilla. I needed some flour tortillas. I'm using old El Paso. I don't think any brand works, I think. Some shredded cheese. I'm using a taco blend because I want it to taste like tacos, even though it's not tacos. But we get this kind taco blend by Great Value. It's cheap. First, you're gonna heat up your pan. Don't mind the pan, it's looking crusty right now, but yeah. I'm gonna put the flour in, one piece. Put it there, let it heat up. I'm just making it flatten right now. Then you're gonna put some cheese in it. Let's see if I can open this. Okay. You're gonna put it in one side, like half of the tortilla. Oops. My bad. Just gonna put it right there because we're gonna fold this anyway. You can put how much you want, depending on you want. But I recommend do not put a lot of cheese in it because it's gonna overflow. Anyway, that's good. And then you're just gonna like let it heat up for, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds. Yeah. Just wait a bit. It's been there for 30 seconds. Now I'm just gonna fold this. It's hot. So I'm gonna fold. Okay, so there we go. And then just do this. It's flat. Then you want to flip on the other side. Oh, that was a perfect flip. This is a perfect snack, breakfast, or even dinner. Yeah, I'm eating this for dinner. So I'm just gonna do that for 30 seconds. This is really quick and easy. So yeah, I think it's done. Oh shoot, that's hot. Be careful, it's hot. Here's the cheese quesadilla. She's gonna try it.